Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing a new wig from Subella hair. This is what I got in my packaging along with the wig, and this unit is actually a little bit different. It's curtain bang unit, so it has the bangs already cut into it. It is 26 inches as you guys can see, and it's actually really easy to install. It's already pre-customized, so I didn't need to bleach the knots or do any plucking. And these favorite types of units, I love a low maintenance wig. But anyways, getting into the actual fit of the wig, it fit me ear to ear, which is amazing. I typically have trouble because I have a larger head, but this wig fit perfectly, and the hair is super cute. I did curl it here, and I just put it on as like a glueless install. Hair looks really good, but I am going to show you all how I curled it as well. So like I said, it does have curtain bangs. So from the last style that I just had in the other clip, I didn't really style the bangs too much, so I wanted to re-show you guys me curling the hair, styling the bangs. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. The wig is actually very nice. I had so much fun with this unit when I wore it the first time, and then the second time around in these clips here. So I would definitely recommend. The links are in the description box below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to see you all in the next one. Please be sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. If that's a fact, then I'll be more than you ever could dream of. If all you need is my time, then I got plenty of. I'll dedicate all my love unto you only, babe. I wanna stay by your side, be there to pull you up, and let you know everything will be alright.
That's a fact, then I'll be